Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your nickname in Discord. So basically, in Discord you have your username and you can have one username per your account, but nicknames are a little different. You can change however many times you want your nickname for each different server. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So you're going to go and click on the server's name and you're going to go to edit server profile. Then as you can see right here, you have your server nickname. You can change it to anything really, and you can save that. After saving that, as you can see, my nickname has been changed. You can do this on any server, and also another thing you can do is if you have permissions to do that, you can actually change other people's nicknames, as you can see right here, and you just type anything you want here. For example, let's call him Cleaner. Save that, and now his name is Cleaner. And if he says anything in chat, well, it will say that Cleaner has said whatever he's typed in chat. Anyways guys, I hope this little tutorial helped you. Like and subscribe if it did. If you have any questions, ask them down below in the comment section. And anyways guys, have a nice day.